So what are we doing today, Jensen?
Making slime.
We're making foam slime with fast food, it looks like. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Look at my slime.
Oh, that looks cool. Are you ready to put your what do you want to put in? Glitter?
I want to do this.
You want to put those in?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Dump it out.
I do glitter.
All right, it's time to do the glitter.
Look.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, you gotta put in the food now. All these food. So you put the hot dog in there. What else are you putting in there? What is that?
Pizza.
What is it? Oh, it's a drink. That's cool.
Yeah.
What else is a pizza?
Another pizza.
Another pizza. You know what we're gonna do when we're all done? We're gonna
No.
mix it all up.
Yeah. This is a hamburger.
Yep.
What?
Put it in there. Oh, are they stuck together?
Yeah, free hamburger.
So what is that?
A hamburger.
It looks like that's the bun.
Yeah.
And
Oh.
another hamburger.
Yep.
What else you got? You got some a hot dog, some fries. What do you put in there? Another hamburger?
Fries?
And that's all.
No, it's not.
Not yet. I'm talking about those. Okay. What is that? Another hot dog,
And more fries.
some fries,
And a hot dog.
and a hot dog, and then one more left.
Now,
There you go. Okay, now we're gonna mix it up, okay? Mix it up, Jensen. Okay, while you're mixing it up, I'm gonna do mine, okay?
okay.
All right. Are you still mixing yours?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put my glitter in. Okay, I'll put my glitter in. Now, time for this. Okay. All right. Are you mixing it up still?
No, mine is already all done.
It's already all done. Okay. All right. Now it's time to put the food in.
Ooh.
Hamburger.
Look.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, I put all the food in. Now I'm gonna mix it.
I make a big bubble.
All right, I mixed mine all up.
Okay, take it out.
Okay, I took mine out.
Okay.
It smells
Make it-
really good.
Make it into a ball.
Okay, what are you gonna make?
A big hamburger.
You gonna make a big hamburger with it?
Yeah.
Look, Jensen, I made a face.
Yeah. I'm gonna make a face too. Ooh. Be careful with this.
Oh yeah.
That's another pizza.
You gonna put that in? Oh, you should put that as the nose.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Oops.
There we go. Put it in as a nose.
Yeah. Come out. I hope it's the pizza. Look. I put the nose in it. This is all. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.